Alrighty guys, so in order to access this assignment, you would have had to go back into the notes, and if you looked at this assignment through your to-do list, you'll need to go into the modules section, and this assignment is being done on, let's see, it is Wednesday, March 3rd, so you're going to want to go to the modules tab, week 23, and if you scroll down to Wednesday, March 3rd, you'll see a thing that says taxonomy notes. You'll click on that, and then you will be able to view the PowerPoint along with the slides. And it'll bring up this. This is on the last two slides. So it says on the next slide, you're going to classify the following plants into one of three groups, either trees, ornamental flowering plants, or edible crops. Two of the plants will fit into two categories, with all of the others only being used one time. On your next slide, you'll see the different plants that you're going to be grouping into categories. Okay, so I'm going to start first with my tree group. And I'm just going to write it in another slide because I can still see it up here. You guys can enter yours just as a text box. So trees. A maple tree is a tree. Let's see, apple tree is definitely going to be a tree. What else? We have oak. I would say weeping willow. Let's see, petunia is a flower. Crabapple. Ash is a tree. Let's see, geranium, poinsettia, peppers, mint, eucalyptus. I think that's it for our trees. Okay. Just gonna crush that down and we'll get a new text box out here. Okay, and our next group is going to be the flowering plants. So the first flowering plant is going to be this viburnum. After that, I would put a daylily as a flowering plant. Let's see here, tomatoes, oaks, petunias. The Spirea. I don't know if I'm saying that right or not. Spirea. And a crabapple actually is considered a flowering plant. If you look at the trees, they do flower. Geraniums, poinsettias. And I think that's it for our flowering plants. And then we have one final column left, and that was going to be the edible crops. Things that we could eat, there's only 4 of them on here. We actually have the apple trees, not crab apple trees, so don't get those too confused. You can also eat the tomato, pepper, and mint. So yours should look something similar to my list here. And get ready because we're going to be doing a project next. I'll talk to you soon.